Hi, I'm here. I'm your teacher, Warbeck, JO2. I'm here with you again in our third section B. That is the second part of our third section. Now, in this section, we are going to look at the new features that comes with the Google Classroom when you join a class. Don't forget, when we started in the first session, after logging into the Google Classroom application, we only had the menu bar, and the Google Apps with our profile picture. Now we have Peopl, Classroom, and Stream. Peopl, Classroom, and Stream. I believe Stream. I believe you have seen some flashes. Yup. Yeah. Peopl, Classroom, Stream. What are they? Let's begin with the Peopl. Now, when you select any of these three, after you have joined the class, that is between Peopl and Stream, you see this dash bar beneath it. For Peopl, you have a dark green bar beneath it, telling us that we are now looking at the people in the class. Peoples in the class. Classwork, then Stream. So let's talk about the Peopl. Now, when you click on the Peopl, this is what you are going to see. What you are watching right now or looking at right now is what you are going to see. You will see all the teachers who are in the class, all the teachers in the class. So now you have Military as a teacher, and Warbeck JO2 also as what? A teacher. Then you would also see all your classmates in the class. So I have Elizabeth Otu here, and also Grace Kweku as my mates. So that is all about the Peopl. You will look at how many people are there in the class and how many teachers you have in the class. Wow. Let's talk about the Stream. But before then, let's look at the Classwork. I had wanted to jump over it. I had wanted to just jump over it and go to Stream. But hey, let's do it step by step. Now, at the Classwork 2, you'll see some nice or new interfaces here, new things. You have view class, view your work. We use this button supposing you have attempted assignment or you have unsubmitted your assignment to the class. You can use this view button to look at all the assignments you have been assigned and the ones you have been able to submit it. So Augustina Pra, you have assignment titles here assigned to her, but unfortunately he hasn't submitted any of it. So we use the view way to view all the assignments signed to you and the ones you have been able to do. We have already talked about the Google Calendar here. We have the calendar here, but then when you click on it, it will also show you it will place all these assignments on a calendar for you to see. You can click on it to check for yourself. You can pause the video, you click on it, that is if you are following, or if you are following, you can click on the Google Calendar to open. In this, we have a class drive here. See, every classroom on the Google Class has a class drive. That is all the notes prepared by the teacher, all the videos and TLMs, everything will be saved in this drive. It's just like your cupboard, the cupboard you have in your classroom. You save your books and everything in, so it will save all your exercises and assignments in the drive. Let's say you have uploaded your assignments in the drive. If you have Google Drive, you can always go to Google Classroom. Then we have Drive here, but this drive belongs to Augustina Pra. So the moment you create an account, you would also have a Google Drive, which will save all your personal files. But this class drive is for the class Ahinemba International School. When you click on it, it will open the class drive for you. No, basically we don't have anything in the class drive. Let's go back, close it. Now we have computing. This is a topic with a test. What you see here might be your class or anything, or it might be a subject. So you have computing and class, computing test beneath it. You also have verbs with note, assignment, and class test of verbs. So that is, or if you have other subjects, they would also come with their notes and assignments. So you just have to navigate through and select the ones which are about to due. Nameka say near time, you look at the time duration, then you open it. Yeah, we have other fields here. We have all topics, computing and verbs. So the all topics, when you click on it, or as we are looking at it, will arrange the topics, or as I said earlier on, the topics might be your classes. Yeah, it can be anything, but don't forget, any word that comes with this long line under it becomes what? A topic. So you can navigate through it here, and then you can also click on it. Gosh, it's not opening. So this is computing. You can read through. We have open computing. Let's go back. Let's look at verbs. So these are all the associated files, all the files associated with verbs. Let's go back. So basically that is all about the class work. Let's look at the stream, then we bring this section to a close. So the stream is like a notice board. The notice board, it displays all the upcoming events in the classroom. So as you can see, we have the 3 posted a new assignment. So the moment you log on to the class, you will see this stream. You can go through to briefly have or get an idea of what is going to happen or what is already happening in the class. You can as well look at the upcoming events here. So we have an event which will be due. Anytime you say due tomorrow, due on Wednesday, which means that this assignment would actually expire, or the teacher will stop receiving any other work on Wednesday exactly 11:59. So it means if you do it after this time, let's say your teacher has given you an assignment which is due on 11:59 and you decided to submit it 12 o'clock p.m., it will not go through because the time is what? app. Yup. So as you are looking at the stream, you can always pass a comment on all the news. You can leave a comment there. Let's say hello learners. You see there is add class comment, so you can add a comment, but mind you, everybody in the class will see this comment since it's on the notice board stream. You can equally add a comment here. You can type anything. Let's say you want to give your class a message, you can type it here. Let me go to class. You can come to share something with your class, then you type it there. Whatever you would want to share with your class, you type it there, then you click post. So let's say hello friends, please, how are you doing? Hope to, let me bring full stop. Hope to see you all soon. Missed out. I miss you all. I can't wait to see. Hi. Then post. So Augustina Pra has given us a message. I've posted a message to the class. You can also pass your comment. To say thank you, madam. Then you click on post here. So I just commented on the message Madam Daisy 3 gave to us. Okay, so that is all about the new interface. You can as well explore. Okay, so this brings us to the end of section 3. See you again in our final section. Till then, bye.